Hello traders, if you have tested dozens of indicators and they have not worked for you, then please stop wasting your time and go for these indicators, the market turning points and the bank selling and the bank buying indicator. These are my private indicators and they are working very well for my subscribers, and you can check the feedbacks of my students and the subscribers who have taken these powerful indicators and they are making a lot of money using this indicator. And yes, they are using with the liquidity knowledge that I have provided for free in my YouTube channel playlist. Please open the YouTube channel playlist. There is one advanced trading course available in the playlist, and then when you are going to use the bank indicator or the market turning points indicator, you will love those indicators because they are planned according to the liquidity knowledge. Okay, so first of all, these are my private indicators, and if you want to get the lifetime access, then visit my website fxmentorus.com, and the link is in the description of this video. If you go to the indicator section, then first indicator is the market turning points, and the second one is the bank buying and the bank selling order. And if you go to the website, you will find all details about these indicators. And if you want to have the lifetime access, then you can contact on Telegram and you can contact through email. The links are given in the description of this video. Okay, so first of all, let me talk about the market turning points indicator. Its levels are creating in real time. Mostly the levels are in real time. I can show you some examples. For example, if I go to gold 15 minute, then in real time on the second candle, when the second candle was closed, it has told us that the gold wants to go up and the buy opportunity levels was appeared and fixed. And then you can see gold has given a scalping chance and the price moved up. Okay, and this was the static level that were already here, but this indicator is specialized in creating the real time levels, and you will love this because it works extremely well. Okay, so for example, this is the level that you can see here that was created on that time in real time. There is no delay while creating that level. Like you can see, this is the buy opportunity that was created in the real time, and this is the gateway to make a profitable trader. For example, just look at this, and this is the 15-minute chart on Australian dollar USD. You can see, like, more than 1 hour ago it has given us a buy opportunity level and the price is going up. Okay, so this is the quality about the this indicator. Okay, so for example, now just look at this one. The price touched the buy opportunity level that was already static and that was already here, but when the price pulled up from here, then it provided a real time sell opportunity, and then you can see the price is down. Okay, so this option is not available in your other indicators because this works very massively. And now you can see this is the bank nifty, and bank nifty went up after the buy opportunity and dropped from the selling opportunity. So it works on everything, like whatever you trade, forex, crypto, stocks, so it works very well. Okay, the second indicator that we are going to talk in this video is about the bank indicator. Now let me show you its performance. So for example, now about the bank indicator, it has a different strategy. Okay, so what the strategy is, so basically we work for the first retest. So let me find any proper example so that I can give you. Okay, now just look at here. The level was created after the move. When the price was here, this bank buying order was printed. Okay. Now, what happened here? If you just look at this one, this is the first retest because previously the market does not came here to retest that level, and here it's the first retest, and we will be trading the first retest. And now you can see the price is simply into the upward direction, and this is what we do. Now, just look at Euro USD. The price went up on the first retest, and you can see the price is up. Okay, so these are the most powerful indicators. On the first retest, you can see USD CHF, the first retest, and the price is down from the bank selling order. So if you want to get the lifetime version of these both powerful indicators, you can contact on Telegram, you can contact through email. The links are in the description of this video. Thank you very much.